In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete temporary files on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for temporary. Best result, you come back with delete temporary files. Go ahead and open that up. Select temporary files on the right side of your HP page here, and then you can check mark what temporary files you want to remove over here on the right, and then select remove files up at the top, select continue to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.